cooking. Tesco everyday value British mushy peas. Now these are supposed to be, the last time I had these peas, they were really good. And make no mistake, Tesco does some excellent everyday value stuff. You can check my videos out on I'm just gonna put probably I'll stick the full lot in. Pissing them out. These are from Britain. They're 90%. I'm going to show you the back. Right, let the camera zoom. There we go. Okay, guys, and that's what's in that one. Always important to look what's in the product before you buy. You can pause this video, of course, and you can go at your discretion. Now it says 2 to 3 minutes, so I am going to be doing exactly what it says. What I'm going to do is knock the heat down a little bit. I did it I normally microwave these things. Oops, there goes the flash. But don't worry guys, because I've got lights. Because your phone, I've been trying to get a new battery for it, and I ordered one. The battery wasn't the right one for some odd reason. So what does it say on this? Right, so it says, hob, empty the contents into a hob, heat gently for 34 minutes, stirring frequently, do not allow to boil. Right, well that seems kind of dry to me. So you know what I'm going to do? I always do this. There's a method in my madness, guys. Get a blob of butter and stick it in. That way it'll look. And another thing as well that I tend to use is, I'm going to use today, which is Bramwell's vinegar. That is from Aldi. Keep catching that camera because it's got a big stupid altering stick on the front. Now this looks alright, doesn't it? And the other thing I recommend that you put in, wait for it guys, because I have to go and get the freaking pepper. Ah, God. Right, a bit of pepper in there, just a little bit, adds a little bit of flavour. But Tony, you've drowned out the taste of the peas. Well, there you go. I'm just an awkward sod. It's the old age, you see. As you get older, you become more rebellious. I'm sure of it. And I've got my slippers on in the kitchen, and I'm picking up bits off my socks. Really irritating. Right, okay, that should be about done. Can you get food poisoning off old peas? I don't know. Anyway, let's just take a taste. Oh man, they are really good. I mean, it just looks like something the dog's thrown up, but really it tastes gorgeous. Can't recommend them enough. Brilliant product. 100% recommend them, guys. I mean, I think they're about 15p, but you get quite a lot. There's enough for 2 people. Thanks for watching. Bit of a long one that, guys, but you know me. Catch you later.